Hi, I'm Karina Gould. I'm the Member of Parliament for Burlington, and we are here celebrating the bright stars in our community, recognizing them in all of their diversity and giving them a really fun day out on a Sunday afternoon.
Hi, this is Effie Triantafilopoulos, and I'm the MPP for Oakville North Burlington. I'm here today with lots of young people who've done a drive-through, and we've been able to say thank you for all they've done during the past year.
This is such a great cause, so we do everything we can to be out there and help people.
So I just want to give all of those participants a thumbs up and thank them very much for being involved in all of our communities.
It's just a blessing to actually host this event. It's just amazing. Any of us wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the Mayor of Oakville. So thank you, Rob, and thank you to the councillors that came out today. Thank you.